this video, we will explain what Portal for You can do for you. Sharing information is getting more and more important, and sharing it over the internet is relatively cheap and will save time and money in many cases. A large part of this information is stored in your internal systems like your ERP, project or HRM system. And yet, this is exactly the information you'd like to share with your customers or employees. For example, a customer portal in which your clients can view current orders, download invoices, or even place new orders. Or think of an employee portal in which every employee can submit their timesheets, view their leave days, or claim expenses. And you could also think of project-based organizations that need to keep their clients informed of the progress of their project. In short, there's no limit to the possibilities Portal for You offers. We know this functionality will be of interest to you, but if it all sounds too easy, let us assure you it is fully automated, simple, and fast. There are a few complexities you may encounter which could hamper your progress in creating these portals. In this video, we will explain what we mean by this and how we are going to solve this with Portal for You. Let's first have a look at the data. Data is often stored in internal systems like SQL, Oracle, or other database formats. How can we extract the data from the database in a structured way? Which fields should we use? From which tables? That will be the first problem you're going to meet. Next, this data will also have to be collected and sorted, for example, by customer or by employee. Of course, you will have to ensure that a customer will only be able to view his own orders and invoices and not the data and information of other customers. Another problem that comes up in collecting data is that it has to be done at regular intervals. Therefore, there must be some kind of mechanism which will take care of this. For example, have new orders been delivered? Are there any new invoices for a customer? All this information should be uploaded to the customer portal automatically. It shouldn't be necessary to run tasks manually to keep the portal up to date. Finally, the users of your portal will have to be kept actively informed about changes in the portal. Think, for instance, of an answer to a help desk call, or a message to an employee that his most recent payslip can be downloaded. This is what makes the portal active. The user is informed about important additions or changes automatically. Once you have collected the necessary data, you'll have to publish them on the internet. And that is yet another hurdle. How to get this data published in a simple way. Even more importantly, in the way you want it to be published. On top of all that, the portal will also have to fit your corporate image. The customer or the employee should recognize your brand. And of course, the information published should only be accessible to the user for which it is intended. This means that a secure login and rights mechanism will have to be present in the portal. The last point we'd like to illustrate concerns communication and integration. By this, we mean that the portal shouldn't be used as an informative platform only, but also as a communicative platform. It should be possible to ask the user of the portal something by means of an input form. For example, submitting a help desk call or an RMA form. But also think of an expense form or an authorizing purchase order in the employee portal. In most cases, these communications will trigger an action in your back office system. If a user of a customer portal fills in a malfunction report form for a machine supplied by you, then a malfunction report will have to be created in your maintenance system. If a user indicates that you can deliver goods from a blanket order by filling in a form in your customer portal, this will trigger an action in your ERP system. And this is exactly the point where integration will experience difficulties. How can we make the portal communicate and integrate with your internal back-office system? All these issues have been made our central point of interest in developing Portal for You. Because Portal for You makes use of Orbis TaskCentre, it is able to collect all necessary data from various databases automatically and sort this data per user or user group. With the help of Orbis TaskCentre, Portal for You can automatically inform the user of important changes or additions to the portal. Portal for You publishes data on the internet automatically and securely in the style you want. You can manage this yourself with the management tool. Within Portal for You, it's possible to define web-based forms which you can integrate into your back-office systems. To end this video, we will show you some of the highlights of Portal for You. For more information about Portal for You and its possibilities for your company, please visit our website